What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Let's go ahead and open up some brand new 2022 Hot Wheels A-Case cars. And we'll start it off with the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, this one in blue with white wheels. Let's go ahead and open it up and get a close-up look at this one. You can see those gorgeous multi-spoke wheels on there in white with the nice rubber wrapped around them. We've got a white stripe on the front hood right here. We don't have anything that goes down on the back. Nice Tampa work on the rear end though, great detail on this one, and then look at the front end detail on this. Looks absolutely fantastic. And next up we have the Let's Go. This little ride-on cart looks super funky. It looks like you could put a Lego or Mega Bloks guy inside of this one right here. We can see this one in red with some yellow trim on there. We got the big engine on the back with that big exhaust right there. We've got the ride-ons that it says right there, and it's just basically a go-kart with the big engine on it. Mazda REPU or REPU pickup truck right here in orange with the black striping on the side of it. Let's see what this one's all about right here. You can see it's got some logoing on the rear end right there, and it says right there Mazda and Hot Wheels. We do have the rotary power on the back because obviously this is a Mazda, so it's rotary powered engine on the inside of this one. On the front end, pretty standard looking truck, nothing like too special or particular about it. It's got some nice little headlights and stuff like that, but overall it's a really clean design for this pickup truck. Skull Crusher, we've got a new color of this one right here. Very aggressive name and aggressive looking car. Let's see what this one's all about right here. So this one, it's particularly got like these like little cylinders right here on the side, but they're actually like part of the skull. So it's definitely an interesting design of a car right here. You can see just the craziness of the front right there. We've got the eyes that come through. Look at that. Just look at those crazy aggressive looking eyes, the front end and all that. We got definitely some crazy colored wheel tire combination on there, and I guess this is supposed to be some sort of skull exhaust of some sort on here, but it's an absolutely crazy looking design Hot Wheels fantasy car. The Dark Knight Batmobile, and this one is a treasure hunt. We can see the treasure hunt logo just right on the back of the card right there behind the car, and this one looks super special. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. I love the glossy color on this with like the white highlights on here. That is very, very interesting. I really do like the look of that one right here. Obviously this is one crazy looking Batmobile, and this one being a treasure hunt. Let's find the treasure hunt logoing on the side of it here. It should be right there. There it is on the top actually. So that's an interesting placement for it. There is your treasure hunt logo right there. And on this side, we don't have any treasure hunt logo. So it's just a single treasure hunt logo that we have just right on the top right there. But overall, very, very funky looking Hot Wheels Batmobile. 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel from the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks right here. This one in a silverish gray color. It's more of a silver. It's got some really good looks to it here. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. Obviously, this one is a popular truck in real life right here, but just look at this one, the Ram Rebel. I love that Rebel graphics on the side, on the back right there. And on the rear, we have Ram on here. Big open sunroof on here, really opens up the interior of the car. Nice aggressive front end on it with the big Ram logo on there and these big Mutter tires as well. It's a great design truck. We've seen this one now in a few different recolors, but I have to say this silver one looks fantastic. The NASH from Compact Kings. This one is one of our Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner cars. It's been recolored now several different times, and now we've got this crazy pink color to it right here. It's kind of a magenta pink color, but I think it kind of suits the car. It kind of suits the funky look to the car. And the really interesting thing about this car as well, if we look at the wheels on it, you can see how thin the wheel tire combination is right here. Super, super thin, but we got a nice wide stance. So if we look at it from the top, very, very cool, aggressive, wide stance in here. Big engine on the front of it. It is a tiny looking car, but I think it's pretty cool. From Hot Wheels Race Team, we've got the Twinnin and Winnin with a new Hot Wheels theme livery on here from the Baja Blazers series. Let's go ahead and pop this open and see. So we've got big tires on the rear, smaller ones on the front right here. We've got that little like window cover right there because this is a race car. It says Hot Wheels on the side of it. I love the color of this one right here. Looks great in the glossy blue for the Hot Wheels racing team coloring right here. But overall, this is a nice looking off-road buggy car. Mario's standard cart. We've seen the Hot Wheels Mario series, and that had Mario actually inside of it. And this one, we've got just the cart itself. I love Mario here on the cart. Looks cool. I really like Mario. Big fan of Mario in real life. Let's go ahead and pop this one open, and we can see this one is just the cart itself right here. So we got those colored wheels. We got that big exhaust that comes up the back right here. The classic Mario red with the M for Mario and white and blue base on the bottom. But this one's super cool to see come to the Hot Wheels mainline. BOGZILLA from HW Ride-Ons. Check this one out. It's kind of like a kid's toy ride-on car that they've made into a Hot Wheels form. I think that's what they're trying to do with this one. But I mean, it is 1/64 scale, so it definitely looks a lot bigger than a regular ride-on, but this would be super fun. It's kind of like a single-seater off-road buggy car. Big fat wheel tire combination, chrome base on the bottom. We've got this matte finish paint job on there with some cool graphics on the side of it. Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truno. This one's made popular as being a drift car. Let's go see what this one's all about as we open it up right here. And this one is a nice matte white finish paint job to it, so no gloss at all, just very matte finish to it. It's very bright. We got super tiny wheel tire combination on there. We got some writing on the side of it, some striping on here. Great looking detail on the rear end as well. We've got the little writing on there. We've got the nice rear lights right here. We also have the front lights right there. Too bad there's not any paint on the inside of these front lights, but otherwise it's an overall cool looking 80s drifter. And there we have all of the cars that we opened up today. Make sure you comment down below which one's your favorite. Hit that like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.